Are you guys? Alright, so look, listen. It's okay. Oh, hey, Gouda. Alright, so listen, guys. I just bought the new kit in Bed Wars. Roblox Bed Wars. We don't play Minecraft on this channel. Freak you think you thought, homie? That's why I don't have a lot of Robux. You see my Robux slipping. Alright, so you see that beautiful kit right there? That's mine. Okay, so look. If alright, so I'm about to get in the game. Alright, guys. I'm playing by myself because normally I would be playing with my friends, but I'm playing by myself because nobody's like online because everybody's with their family because this is our Thanksgiving break. But I'm going somewhere tomorrow, so I won't be really posting a lot. So yeah, bro, this is going on in my life, and if I don't load in 10 seconds, guys have to like the video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, y'all gotta like the video, man. It's just the rules. It's just the rules. But what is this? Buff, kill yourself. Oh my god, what is this? Alright, y'all, so we about to get into it. So first, what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna join a custom match, and then I'm gonna showcase to you guys. Not even showcase. I'm gonna figure out with you guys what the kit does before I get into a match. All right. So, because I know nothing about it, I'm not even in the Bed Wars Discord server anymore. I don't know why. I'm just not in it anymore. So, gonna go to my. Gonna go to this map save. Oh shit. Oh no, don't do that. Don't do that. Oh, well, doesn't really matter. Indiana. Bro, I'm literally gonna destroy this app. Why? Bro, you're not supposed to be able to open by yourself unless I open you up. Okay. Alright, guys, so we're about to get into this map. And, yeah, bro. I'm about to showcase you guys what's going on and stuff. Yep, I get the loose panel as I thought. So, alright, guys, let's get into it. Okay, so oh well, I picked the wrong map. I've been working on a castle, like a void castle, and I'll give you guys a tour later. But am I wearing the wrong fucking kit, bro? Oh my god, bro. I'm just gonna. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, bro, my feet stink. Oh my god. Anyways, bro, is that a fucking kit things? I'm literally gonna cry right now. I'm literally about to cry. Cause what is going on? What is all this? Oh my god. Did I really just join the game with the wrong kit? I'm gonna cry. Oh my goodness. Screw it. I can. Alright. Want to go to the lobby because yeah, I forgot to put on the kit, bro. That's actually crazy. I'll be right back, y'all. Let me put on the kit. I'm literally about to cry. I'm crying right now. We're not playing Bed Wars, bro. We're about to play something completely different, bro. You know what we're gonna play? We're gonna play normal real-time strategy game. Okay, back. Oh my god, oh yeah, by the way. I'll be back. Max, 2 hours. It's literally been, what, 6 hours? She left at 11 something. It's 5:07. Oh my god. What the fuck, bro? Call her, see if she... Yes, okay, I'm not coming, why? Do you want to come? Oh, okay. I'll say okay. That's how we come back. No. Sometimes the food tastes like frozen ass. Sorry it took a while. I just had to read silently all of these instructions. I'ma just read out loud. This is a worker. It's a troop. Select troops with the left click. Shift left click to select more. Shift left click drag. What the fuck? Shift left click to deselect deselect individual, or press E or Q to deselect all. I don't care, bro. I don't need no instructions. I can just kick people. Yes. I didn't say anything about not needing a tutorial. I said I don't need instructions. Shit. Oh my god! Please let this game, bro. Whatever app this is, why do people do, bro? Why do apps creators fucking do that? Like, bro, let me be while I'm trying to do stuff on my computer, bro. Why are you opening 24/7? Like, you niggas taste like beans, ass, cheese, and mozzarella sticks. I don't want to do this. Looks like and a worker. We're not playing this. Shit. They're about good as shit. Fuck, this shit good as fuck. Damn.
My God.
Oh, goodness. Where are you? Where are you? Say something again. Keep talking. Keep talking. Jess, say something again. No, Jess, talk. Where are you? Jess, Jess, Jess. Are you in the fucking trash? Oh no, you're not. You're not in the trash. Jess, say something again. Are you in the bathroom? Alright, there you are. There you go. Okay, I found it.
What vid did you get 1,000 views on?
All of them.
All of them?
Yeah.
That's so cap.
How the fuck is it cap? I literally showed proof.
Well, I checked all of your videos and I couldn't find it.
Bro, are you dumb?
Yeah.
Bro, all of the videos together.
Oh.
You niggas are retarded. I'm about to drink some water. Alright, but in the meantime, bye y'all. See y'all later. Next video is a reaction video.